Most people don't realize they're destroying their future, not with one big mistake, not with some dramatic financial disaster, but with 7 quiet, invisible expenses that slowly drain their wealth, confidence, and options. And the dangerous part, they don't even feel expensive. They feel normal. Let me show you what's really happening. The first silent expense is lifestyle creep. You get a raise, you upgrade your car, you move into a nicer apartment, you add subscriptions, better phone, better furniture, better everything. Your income increases, but your freedom doesn't. Here's the trap. If you go from earning $50,000 to $70,000, but your lifestyle rises from $45,000 to $68,000, you are not richer. You are just more comfortable. Comfort is expensive. The second silent expense is convenience addiction. Food delivery, ride shares, express shipping, subscription apps for everything. Individually, these feel small. $10 here, $20 there, but $20 a day is $600 a month. That's $7,200 a year. Invested at 8% for 20 years, that's over $300,000. Convenience today is compounding poverty tomorrow. Third, interest payments, credit cards, car loans, buy now, pay later. The average credit card interest rate is over 20%. That means if you carry a $5,000 balance, you could pay thousands extra just in interest. Interest is silent. It does not scream. It quietly transfers your money to someone else. Fourth, unused potential. This one hurts. Streaming for 3 hours every night, scrolling endlessly, saying you will start learning something soon. If you spent just 1 hour a day learning a valuable skill, sales, coding, investing, communication, that is 365 hours a year. In 5 years, that is over 1,800 hours. That level of focus can completely change your income bracket. But most people trade future leverage for present entertainment. Fifth, poor health habits. This one is underestimated. Cheap fast food, no exercise, bad sleep. Medical costs rise, energy drops, productivity declines. You cannot build wealth if your body is constantly fighting you. Health is not an expense, it is an investment multiplier. Sixth, social comparison spending. Buying things to look successful. Designer clothes, latest gadgets, luxury vacations financed on credit. You are funding an image instead of building assets. Here is what most people do not realize. The truly wealthy often look normal because they invest quietly while others spend loudly. And finally, the seventh, a silent expense. Lack of financial literacy, not knowing how taxes work, not understanding investing, not tracking expenses. When you do not understand money, you operate blindly, and blindness in finance is expensive. Now here is where it gets interesting. None of these expenses feel dramatic. No alarm goes off when you order takeout. No warning light flashes when you upgrade your lifestyle. No one stops you when you choose entertainment over education. That is why they are dangerous. They are socially accepted. Most people around you are doing the same thing, but average behavior produces average outcomes. The top performers think differently. They delay lifestyle upgrades. They automate investments. They track spending. They build skills before they buy status. They understand one core principle. Every dollar is either building your future or borrowing against it. There is no neutral spending. Now you might be thinking, I deserve to enjoy my life. Of course you do, but enjoyment without direction becomes stagnation, and stagnation becomes regret. The goal is not to eliminate comfort. The goal is to earn it. If you redirect even $300 a month toward investing, if you spend 1 hour daily building skill, if you improve your health consistently, in 5 years your life looks completely different. Most people wait for motivation. Successful people build systems. Automatic investing, scheduled workouts, planned learning time. Systems remove emotion from progress. And that is how you escape the silent expenses. Here is the truth. Your future is not destroyed by one bad decision. It is shaped by small daily patterns. And patterns are adjustable. If you feel slightly uncomfortable watching this, good. Awareness is the first advantage. You do not need to overhaul your life tomorrow. Start with one. Cut one unnecessary expense. Invest one small amount automatically. Learn one high-income skill. Build momentum, because 5 years from now you will either thank yourself or wish you started today. If you want to think differently about money, habits, and long-term growth, if you want practical strategies without hype, subscribe to Growth Factor. This channel is for people who refuse to drift through life financially blind. We break down the psychology and math behind real success. No noise, no shortcuts, just leverage. If you are serious about building a future most people only talk about, hit subscribe and start eliminating the silent expense.